Hello everyone. Welcome back to Pranab Digital Gurukul. Today, we will tackle one of the most common questions in the tech world. Are artificial intelligence and machine learning the same thing? These terms are often used interchangeably, but they're not the same. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand the differences and similarities between AI and ML. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. I am Pranab Kishore Prehraj from Pranab Digital Gurukul. Understanding the distinction between artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, is essential for anyone interested in technology, from beginners to professionals. It helps you make sense of tech advancements and their impact on our world. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It's about creating systems that can perform tasks requiring human-like thinking, such as decision-making, problem-solving, and understanding language. Key characteristics of AI: mimics human intelligence, can be programmed to solve complex problems, operates across various domains, like robotics, healthcare, and finance. Examples of AI: virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI in self-driving cars, chatbots that answer your questions online. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of AI. It's a way to train machines to learn from data instead of being explicitly programmed. Essentially, it's about teaching computers to improve their performance over time. How it works: data is fed into the system. The system learns patterns from this data. It makes predictions or decisions based on what it has learned. Key characteristics of ML: requires large datasets, focuses on improving performance, often uses algorithms like neural networks. Examples of ML: Netflix recommends shows based on your watch history. Email spam filters learning what emails to block. Predictive text on your smartphone. The relationship between AI and ML. How they're connected. Think of AI as the big picture and ML as a tool within that picture. AI is the goal of creating intelligent machines, and ML is one way to achieve that goal by teaching machines to learn from data. Illustration with an example. Imagine you are building a robot to play chess. AI is the overall intelligence that enables the robot to make decisions. ML teaches robot strategies by showing it thousands of chess games. Other subfields of AI: natural language processing, NLP, understanding and generating human language. Computer vision, enabling machines to recognize and interpret visual data. Robotics, building machines that can perform physical tasks. Differences between AI and ML. Scope: AI is a broad field that encompasses all aspects of intelligence in machines. ML is a specialized area focused on learning from data. Complexity: AI can involve various approaches, including rule-based systems, while ML specifically relies on data and algorithms. Goal: the goal of AI is to create intelligent systems. The goal of ML is to improve performance through learning. Examples: AI, a robot that cleans your house. ML, a recommendation system that suggests your favorite songs. Similarities between AI and ML. Shared objective: AI and ML aim to create smarter machines. Use of data: AI and ML rely on data for better performance. Applications: AI and ML are used in industries like healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. Constant improvement: AI and ML fields are evolving and growing rapidly, with breakthroughs happening every day. Common misconceptions. Misconception 1. AI and ML are the same. As we've discussed, ML is a part of AI, but not the only part. Misconception 2. ML can do everything AI can. ML is powerful but limited to learning from data. AI can use other techniques, like rule-based systems, for tasks. Misconception 3. AI and ML will replace humans completely. While these technologies automate tasks, they also require human oversight and creativity. The future of AI and ML. Exciting advancements. AI and ML are transforming industries, from healthcare to entertainment. For example, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases, while ML is creating hyper-personalized content for users. Opportunities. Both fields offer amazing career opportunities. Learning about AI and ML can open doors to exciting jobs in tech. Ethical considerations. As these technologies evolve, we must think about ethics, like ensuring fairness and preventing misuse. Conclusion. To sum up, artificial intelligence and machine learning are closely related but not the same. AI is the broader concept of machines simulating intelligence, while ML is a specific way to achieve that through learning from data. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, did this explanation help you understand the difference between AI and ML? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.